Continuing post-based SQLi. Try on lesson 15. So lesson 15 I will give backslash there. So after backslash it's not giving me any error. In this case there may be blind boolean. So let's talk about blind boolean post based SQLi. So see, after backslash you are not getting any error. So there may be, so you cannot gauge that they are using single quote or they are using double quotes. Sorry. So you have to try one by one. So I'll first try single quote, space, minus minus or hash. You can, sorry, but problem is this will again give you the login fail because you are not getting any clue that how to compare that this is a true or this is a false. So I'll use this now, or 1 equal to 2, 1 equal to 1. If this won't work, then I'll try double quote or 1 equal to 1 hash. If this won't work, then I'll try the single quote closing or 1 equal to 1 hash. This won't work, then I'll try double quote closing or 1 equal to 1 hash. So let's try this. So if I'll get something like this, see this, the login failed, that means this is working. If I'm giving 1 equal to 2, see this, it's communicating with the true and false. If I'll give a true value, let's say 2 equal to 2, it's giving me login successfully logged in. That means yes. So we are on the right track. Okay, so then how to enumerate for database? Very simple. We got to know that this is working. So I'll give database function, and then I will give database name security. So see this now, if I'm trying this, see, successfully logged in, that means database name is security. If I'll give something wrong here, let's say ABCD whatever, login fail, that means ABCD is not a database. But the problem is you cannot predict the actual database name. So in this case I will use substring function, substring of what, database, and then you can use 1 comma 1, that means first character of first database, and then you can come do this ABCD something like this. So this is a way to enumerate database, but this will take time. So A is not, I'll try P is not, let's try Q is not, I'll try R is not, I'll try S. So yes, so S, first character of database is S, because that worked fine. So S worked, so it means first character of database is S. See this? If you want a second character of database, so you have to do this 1 to 2, and you can comparison A B C D like this. So this way you have to do to enumerate database. So sometimes you have to identify vulnerability by this way, A, B. I will tell you the automation later on. Let's try C is not, I'll try D is not, I'll try E. See this, E. So you got second character of database, that is E. Second character of database is E. So likewise you have to try. Okay, so we done this on the lesson, which lessons, lesson 15. Okay, so the blind boolean based post based lesson 15 we have tried. Now let's try on lesson 16. So let's go to lesson 16. Let's execute. This is a post based because I have seen a form. Let's try backslash there. I haven't got any error. So I'll try one by one. There may be blind boolean or blind time based. See, blind boolean, I told you, blind time based, you have to use something like this, single quote or sleep for 10 seconds hash. If application will sleep for 10 seconds, then there is a blind time based. If not, then you have to use or sleep 10 seconds has single quote closing may or sleep 10 seconds has, or you can use also this double quote closing. This is the most popular syntax for do this. Okay, sleep 10 and has. Let's try this one. So let's try this. I'm trying this. Right click, copy URL. I will check it's sleeping for 10 seconds or not. It's not sleeping. I'll try what? Single quote. It's not sleeping. I'll try double quote. It's not sleeping. I'll try what? Double quote closing. See, it's sleeping for 10 seconds. So the last one, see this, after 10 seconds you will get a login attempt failed. So application is sleeping for 10 seconds. That means it's vulnerable by time-based SQLi. Now, so I got to know that this is vulnerable. This worked, okay? This worked. Now, so now how to enumerate database for this series? I already told you about the city. You can use and 1 equal to 1. Sleep when and 1 equal to 1 means true value, otherwise no, do not sleep. So see, let's reload this page. If I'm trying this, it's sleeping, but if I'm trying 1 equal to 2, it's not sleeping. So this is working now. So you can enumerate database by this. See this, if I'm giving this database function, you can directly use substring function, substring database. I'll use 1 comma 1 means first character of first database, and then I will compare them with this character. So let's try third. I'll use A. See this. So I'm fetching the third character of database. Let's see this. It's not A, is not. I'll try B. B is not. I will try C. C. See this? For C, it's sleeping for 10 seconds. That means the third character of database is what? C. So they are application is sleeping when we fire this. It is this. So when I that means third character of database is C. Yes. So likewise you have to try. Let's try lesson 17 now. If you are trying for lesson 17, let's do, see this is always understand the business logic page. Okay, so lesson 17, you what will you gonna do? You will do backslash, it's not giving anything. Bug of you silly dumb hacker. If you will do backslash, it's not give you anything. So this is a password reset page. So understand the business logic here. Understand the business logic here. Password reset require what? The existing user. Yes, when you are resetting Facebook passwords, you have to give your email address. So that's the same conditions here. So existing password, so the default username for this lab is admin. So I'll give admin and then I will give a backslash there. See this, you got an error. But when you will give the other username, that non-existing username, you will, if you will do backslash, it will give you bug of C. That means they are doing this admin, and if you have to give, you can give backslash now. You can also fix this. Now fix the query. Admin single quote has. It's fixing. Yes, it's fixing. I can use admin single quote order by 3 has. See this? It's fixing. You can use admin single quote order by 2 has. It's fixing. No, unknown column 2. Oh my god. So single quote, sorry, order by 1 has. unknown column 1 even, so you can directly try their double query injections. Okay, so yes, so likewise you have to enumerate or you have to hunt for SQLi. So we have done the post-based the huntings, the post-based findings, how to hunt for post-based SQLi.